Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be doing a extremely jumbo braid and it's actually pretty easy. The great thing about this is that you can kind of spice it up and, you know, do something like this if you want to get all fancy and just, you know, just have a jumbo ass braid. But also it's cool, you can get playful and experiment with different colors. It doesn't matter. It's just a fun, cute look for all seasons that anybody can do. So if you are ready to get into this super easy, extreme jumbo braid tutorial, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. The reason I have the camera kind of a little bit higher is because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing up here. I'm going to be using this hair here, and it is by X-Pression, and it is their Ultra Braid in the color M27/613. So you can kind of see that it has both of those colors blended in. I got 2 of these packs of hair, and they were $3.99 each at my local beauty supply store. I'm sure you could find them cheaper, but it was just kind of hard to find the blend of color I wanted. So yeah, I just went with it, you know. So here's what the hair is looking like. It's pretty long, actually. The reason I actually have the bun in is because I was trying to find an easier way to be able to get the jumbo braid look without having to straighten my hair in order to braid it in with the additional hair, with the extension hair. Yeah, this is my first time trying this, so we're gonna find out together if this works out or not. I just didn't want to have to go through the hassle of straightening, blow drying my hair, all that, and I didn't want to do it curly either, braid it while my hair was curly into the hair, because I just didn't want it to be so much of a mismatch. I am actually going to be keeping this rubber band in and attaching the hair to my bun. So let me go ahead and probably wrap it around twice. That should be good enough. And so now that I actually have it in, I didn't realize how long this hair is. It's so long. So this is going to be an extremely jumbo braid, but I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. Okay, so I have both of the packs in my hair and we're ready to get started. So I'm going to get a little bit of hair from each of these ponytails and separate it from the rest. So just like a little bit, like, you know, it's not much, about this much from each side. So I have my 2 strands separated and I kind of moved it towards the back. And what I'm just gonna do with this hair for now is kind of just get it a little bit twisted so it's easier to manage, because it's really long and it's just all over the place. So I'm just gonna kind of hold it up here, and these 2 strands of hair that I separated, we'll bring them over here to the front, and what we're gonna do with this is just wrap it around the bun. And doing this is just gonna help you conceal your bun that you have, so it doesn't look like you have a bun, because you don't want people to know that you got a bun, huh? Wrap it around, and hopefully the struggle is not as real as it is for me, for you. So just do your best to conceal the bun. The bun is concealed. So I'm gonna go ahead and safety pin the ends right here, so that way they stay put. All right, so now that we have the bun concealed, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the braid. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and comb it out because it's super tangled, and then we'll go ahead and get started on the braiding. As you can see, aside from me looking crazy, I have the ponytail hair separated into 3 strands for our braid. As you can see, I have the hair on top of the bun area, and that's kind of where I'm holding it down to kind of help cover and conceal the top of that before I start braiding. I have a feeling this is gonna be like a tangled mess, but YOLO, right? Okay, not too bad in the tangled department, and not like the movie. But I mean, as long as his hair is, might as well be like the movie. Oh gosh. So as you can see, I am struggling just a tad to keep it from tangling, and it is because it is so long. So if you want to avoid this, get shorter hair. But you know what? We're gonna make it work. Okay, so now that I've actually I finally reached the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and end it now because I don't want it to be too skinny from being so thick. And I have these little like rubber band hair tie things. And I'm using 2 just, you know, because I need it to be strong, a strong hold. And I'm just securing the end. I'm just gonna snip. So that's pretty much it. We got the jumbo braid popping. Not gonna lie, when I lean to this side, it's a little heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, just throw on a little makeup to kind of complete the look and just get the whole vibe of like the extremely jumbo braid vibe. Give me a second and I'll be right back. Okay, so did my makeup. Threw on some hoops because what's a jumbo braid without jumbo hoops? But yeah, I mean, here's the whole look, right? The braid, the makeup, and the hoops, like, it's a look. I hope that you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, while you're there, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And also, don't forget to let me know what you think about this look in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've tried this out or if you're gonna try it out, let me know. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.